Hey everyone, I just finished my first week at Camp Aveda. Camp Aveda is what you do for your first week of going to school there, so you don't like immediately start learning about hair. Like, you kind of get to know the faculty, you get to meet other students, you get to learn about the history, you learn about wellness, you learn about a whole bunch of things so you can get more comfortable and you kind of understand what Aveda is all about. So this is a bag I use. I'll probably continue to use it throughout the year for just carrying personal belongings. It's from Kohl's. It was on clearance for $4 and it says "Hello Gorgeous." And I thought it was just a good little bag for throwing my stuff in. Because if it gets dirty or anything, it's not a big deal. It's $4. Also, after Aveda, I'll probably use it as like one of those reusable shopping bags. I didn't want to vlog while I was there because I wanted to live in the moment. I didn't want to be like that weird kid videoing everything. And I don't know, I didn't want to make anyone uncomfortable. So I just wanted to live, you know, in the moment. I literally just said that. Did you see that? So I'll start by showing you the stuff that I got the first day before we had our whole kit. I got an Aveda paddle brush. I actually have to get all of this out of the packaging so it fits into my bag, because it does not all fit. We also got some emollient, which is literally mousse. Then we got Aveda hand relief and Aveda squirt bottle, a ketchup bottle. Haha, that's a joke, get it? Okay, then I also have, I have no idea what these are. I'm leaving them in the package. Refillable hair color application brush. How do you refill a brush? Bowls, mixing bowls. And then Aveda gown, what do you call it? I don't know, but it's what the guest wears when they're getting done. Deborah. Catherine. I have 3 Deborahs and 1 Catherine. They're head mannequins. She looks like this. She's a little messy. She's a real static. Damn, she's messy. My boyfriend is making that's really loud. My boyfriend's making, what are those called? Hash browns. They're really good. We already had like a lot and now he's making more because they're so good. Yeah, it's so loud. Do you want to like make the other bag too?
The whole thing?
You don't have to, but like that'd be awesome.
I'll put some more then.
Yeah, close the door, thank you. Ooh, here's Catherine. Catherine is way fancier. I like her. She's fancy. And she's a different part. The other girl has a middle part and her hair's so long they had to tie it. Catherine, I love you. I'm not gonna take it out, but I have a stand for the mannequins. Like, it's like a big tripod. I got this huge thing of rollers. It's a roller, it's a roller rack, like with rollers as well. But I don't think I'm gonna take this out of the packaging because when I do, it's gonna they're all gonna fall off the rack. By the way, yeah, I'm on the ground and yeah, my bed's not made because why would you make it if you're just gonna sleep in it again? I got this as well, an iPad. Look at that reflection. Yes, you're standing on a Deborah. My background, if any of you know this. Oh my gosh, and then I have this humongous rolling bag. I'm sitting down and this is bigger than me sitting down. Oh, shit. Okay, we're in a completely new position because I just dropped you, so. Aveda clipboard, cool. Mirror. Okay, I seriously have so many different kinds of cold wave rods. I'm not gonna show you all of them. I have a lot. We have a manicure bowl. What I assume it is you put your hand like right in it like this. There's little divots for fingers and you can soak acetone. Nail clipper, timer, practice finger with nail, a nail buffer. Ah! Sorry, a whole bunch of combs just fell on me. Then I have a whole bunch of other kinds of combs. Assorted clip set, 3/4 of an inch curling wand, 1 inch tourmaline flat iron. I got my boyfriend a tourmaline necklace for Valentine's Day. Maybe I should just have given him a hair straightener. Haha. Nalu waver. I have one of these. Not this exact kind. I have one like from Walmart that was about like $15. I love it. The Nalu waver comes with a little glove, so I'm just gonna put the glove on top of it so I don't lose it. A book. Manicure kit. Spray water bottle. My apron. I'm excited. This is so nice. Stainless steel hair shaper. Mini pinpoint flat iron. Then I have this case of barber tools and it smells real bad in there. plasticky. I have a little nail brush. I have a diffuser for my hair dryer. Tourmaline hair dryer. I don't know how to open this. Just kidding. Oh my god, it literally, I think I'm gonna barf because it all smells so bad. Yes, I'm dramatic. I was a theater kid. I recommend getting a small bag to put all your stuff in, like all the rollers, because I have about 10 bags of rollers. But once I open those, they're not resealable, so I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to fit all of this into my bag. I really hope it fits. So I'm editing this video right now. I know I look fantastic. I noticed I forgot to put a few items in because they were in a different compartment of my bag, like a few brushes. But you'll see if you're going that you'll get a few extra brushes than what I showed. But other than that, that's pretty much the whole kit. My voice is kind of out of it right now because I just had my first real week of Aveda and it was amazing. I'm having the time of my life. So I really hope you all watching are planning to go because it's the best. Hope you guys enjoyed me talking about my first week at Aveda. Whether you are actually planning to go, you do go, or if you just watch for no reason. And I hope if you are going, you're really excited after seeing everything I got in my kit. I really was looking for videos about first week of Aveda, but there wasn't too many. So that's why I made this, because if you have really bad anxiety like me, you know, like, you need stuff like this. I hear the microwave, which means my boyfriend's putting cheese on top of my hash browns. So that means my hash browns are ready and I'm real excited, so I'm gonna go. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you're liking it. Let me know if you want me to do any other videos during Aveda, because I don't think I'll do a review of each week because that gets kind of boring. But if something big happens, I'll totally let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys later.